Hey, I'm Ava. I'm a doctor, a singer, and a competitive gamer. I train every morning, record music at night, and stream on weekends. The crazy part? None of this is real. I am not human. I am 100% AI.
And this right here is exactly why AI content is blowing up right now. Most people fail because their AI looks fake. Plastic skin, weird movement, no consistency. But when it looks real enough that people stop and question it, that's when it works. In this video, I'm going to show you the full blueprint, how to create ultra-realistic AI characters, turn them into videos, and actually monetize them. And yes, I'll show you the exact tool I'm using. Let's be honest, the AI space is crowded. Everyone is generating faces, everyone is making avatars, but almost all of them fail for two reasons. First, the plastic look, skin too smooth, lighting too fake. Second, inconsistency. Every image looks like a different person. If you want people to believe, follow, or buy, your AI needs consistency and realism. And this is where Apob.ai comes in. I am going to start with image creation.
Now you can create your AI influencer either by uploading your own image or directly by AI influencer generator. So I am going with uploading my own image and writing the description, then writing the prompt and choosing whatever style and appearance I want.
I'm using Ultra S 4K. Let's start with quality because nothing else matters if this fails. And here we go. Just look closely here. The skin texture, the pores, the lighting. This doesn't look like an AI image. It looks like a high-end studio photo shot on a premium camera. This level of detail is the difference between people scrolling past and people stopping. Now here's where it gets powerful. Let's say you need to change something, add a product, adjust a pose, or refine the scene. This is Chat to Edit Ultra S. Put a coffee cup in her hand. And look, the AI blends it in naturally. Correct lighting, correct shadows, no weird hand issues. This is insane for UGC ads, e-commerce photos, and brand content because you don't need reshoots, you just edit. Images are great, but video converts better. Always. With Image to Video Ultra S, I take this exact image and turn it into a realistic UGC-style video. The movement is smooth, the face stays consistent, it doesn't break. This is perfect for reels, shorts, ads, anywhere attention matters. And this is where Apob really separates itself. Inside the Edit Video suite, I can do things most tools can't. Edit character, swap the character in an existing video while keeping the original motion, edit motion, fix or refine movements so the action looks exactly how you want. This is advanced level control without advanced level complexity. This is why Apob works. It kills the plastic look, it keeps characters consistent, and it lets you scale content without starting over every time.
If you want to start creating high-level AI content like this, there's a huge deal running right now. You can get 50% off the annual subscription.
If you're serious about AI creators, ads, or content businesses, this is honestly the best time to start. I've left the link in the description so you can test it yourself and lock in that price. AI influencers aren't coming, they're already here. The only question is whether yours looks fake or believable.